So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Kelvinator Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that, the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the more the temperature will go down. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then you should use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees, set it. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. After that, the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is in cool. Now the mode is in dry. Now the mode is in fan. Now the mode is in auto. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode, all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool. And in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode. After that, if you press the mode button again, the auto mode will come. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and the AC will work according to its own. The next button is H swing. This button is for the swing in front of the AC. It works in up-down. Using the swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is V swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly, and wherever you want to stop the swing, by pressing this button, the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again, the swing will start working automatically. After that, the next button is fan. This is for the speed of the fan which is blowing air from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is low. Right now the fan speed is medium. Right now the fan speed is high. Right now the fan speed is auto. You can control the fan speed according to your requirement. If you want to chill the room quickly, then set the fan speed to high. The next button is timer. To turn off the AC automatically, we have to first set the time in the timer. On pressing the timer button, you can see the time in the remote. Now set the time with the temperature up down button. In the timer, you can set the time from half an hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically after 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours with the temperature up down timer button of the remote, and the timer will turn off automatically in 7 hours. The next button is sleep and display. Press this button once to turn on the sleep function. The sleep mode on Kelvinator Inverter AC gradually raises the temperature throughout the night so you can sleep comfortably. It is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually raises the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. The AC automatically turns off and on again when the desired temperature is reached. Helps you sleep easily in sleep mode. Helps you get back to sleep quickly if you wake up in the middle of the night, and can increase the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and want to save money on electricity bills can use sleep. By long pressing this button, the display function will turn on. By long pressing the display button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button after that is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes, but by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute, and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from somewhere outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this, the room cools very quickly. The next button is switch turn. With the help of switch turn button on inverter AC, you can adjust the air conditioner cooling according to your need. With the help of switch turn button, you can increase or decrease the capacity of the AC. For example, you can increase the capacity to 1.5 ton on hot days when the room is congested. On mild days, you can decrease the capacity to 1 ton. C1 will cool the room at around 40%. C2 will cool the room at around 60%. C3 will cool the room at around 80%. You can use C1 for mild days, C2 for moderate cooling requirements, C3 for hot days. The next button is I feel. I feel is a very good feature which is made for your comfort. Generally the sensor is present in the indoor unit itself which senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. If I feel function is provided in some models of Kelvinator, then that model has two sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit and the other sensor is installed in the remote. The next button is iClean. The iClean function in Kelvinator AC is an automatic cleaning feature which helps in removing dust particles and moisture from the evaporator coil. It is activated by pressing the iClean, Self-Clean button on the remote, and then the AC will automatically dry the water and clean the coil, thereby preventing odor and increasing the life of the AC. The next button is Eco. Pressing the Eco button sets the temperature of the AC to 24 degrees and the fan speed of the indoor unit will start running automatically in Eco mode for energy conscious users. Eco mode helps balance cooling with low power consumption, making it great for daily use while cutting down on energy bills. The next button is I Favor. The I Favor function on Kelvinator AC allows users to save their preferred settings, fan speed, temperature and swing type, and recall them with a single button press. This feature provides quick access to a customized comfort mode, eliminating the need to adjust settings every time the AC is turned on. Here is a more detailed description. Saving preferences. The I Favor function allows you to store your preferred fan speed, temperature and swing direction, left to right or up and down. One-touch recall. Once you have saved your favorite settings, you can easily recall them by pressing the I Favor button on the remote. Customized comfort. This feature provides a convenient way to access your favorite comfort settings, eliminating the need to manually adjust the fan speed, temperature, and swing direction every time the AC is turned on. The next button is I Follow. I Follow function is a very good feature which is made for your comfort. Generally the sensor is present in the indoor unit itself which measures the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature of the place where you are sitting. If I Follow function is given in Kelvinator, then that model has two sensors. One sensor is installed in the indoor unit and the other sensor is installed in the remote. If your room is big and you are not getting proper cooling, then you can press the I Follow button. By pressing the I Follow button, the sensor installed in the remote activates the temperature around you and automatically adjusts the AC temperature for your convenience. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so like my video and subscribe to the channel.